Nature's little secret, got some explaining to do, all right? Y'all didn't tell me y'all was gonna do me like this without my permission. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. What's up? My name is Mimi, it's mighty incredible. For those of you who are new, show me, yes, little old me some love. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe for my oldies but goodies. Y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. So I know you see this plastic bag on my head, and guess what? Today is what day? Let me know in the comment section below what today is. I'm waiting. All right, today is wash day. All right, for those of you who guessed it, kudos to you. So I am going to use a new shampoo today, and that is the Nature's Little Secret Cucumber Nourishing Shampoo made with cucumber juice for all hair types. This is how it looks, y'all. Can y'all see that? Boom. And this product was gifted to me from my homegirl Curly Tail. She's a YouTuber and she's also a brand ambassador for this company, and she did a review on this product as well, so I will link her video down in the description box below. Alright, y'all, let her know that Mimi sent y'all. Thank you. And also I have a pre-poo in my hair right now. It's a new DIY pre-poo, and I will let you guys know what I use, and that will be a future video, but it's coming soon. So let's get to how this smells. Let me see, y'all. It smells refreshing, just like cucumbers. And I'm gonna show y'all the consistency of it, but I need to get this add some water to this hair, because this stuff is oily. I had this in my hair for like 2 days. Life happens, y'all. So this is my hair with the pre-poo in it, and I need to add some water to this hair so we can put the shampoo in the hair. All right, so I will be back. Give me like 5 seconds. All right, the next clip you're gonna see my hair dripping wet. I am back. I just finished rinsing my hair with some nice warm water. Now let's get into shampooing this stuff. Let's look at the consistency of it. Okay, this is how it looks. And again, it smells so good. All right, let me add this to my hair. Ooh. Do y'all see that? Oh, it has a nice lather already. So yeah, I know that y'all see that. Okay. Now I don't have to put that much. Okay, cucumber, Nature's Little Secret. I'm gonna fold up this part. You know, I'm gonna let y'all see me shampoo it a little something, but oh gosh, y'all don't even need much of the shampoo. Oh my gosh. I am back. Let me show you this hair. Take this off. Ooh. This is my my hair with the shampoo rinsed out. look at this. Oh my gosh. Let me do a 360. Oh, I got one. I think that's oil. Alright, so this is just with the shampoo rinsed out. And let me give y'all that 360. Just the shampoo, y'all. Just the shampoo rinsed out. Y'all, do y'all see the definition? It is so moisturized. It's so fluffy. Nature's little secret. Y'all got some explaining to do. Keys, I'm filming right now for YouTube. My cat is so disrespectful, y'all. I swear she is. Hold on, let me go see what she wants. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Keys, she was just hungry. Her fat behind. Anyway, like I was saying, nature's little secret, got some explaining to do. Alright? Y'all didn't tell me y'all was gonna do me like this without my permission. Okay? Got my hair feeling all sorts of goodness. Alright, y'all, so I forgot to tell y'all some of the ingredients that I can pronounce. Yeah, pronounce, not pronounce, pronounce in this shampoo. First one is water, cucumber fruit juice, coconut oil, aloe vera. Y'all already know I'm team aloe vera. Yes. And etc, etc. So it has very good ingredients inside of it. I think I overused it. I lathered my hair twice with it. And it smells so good. I kept putting more and more shampoo, knowing I ain't need no more. But guys, if you haven't checked this product out, definitely check it out. And let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you like my results. And I'm not too big on shampoos, but I was like, let me try this shampoo and see if I like it. And I love it. And I give this shampoo a 10 out of 20. Yes, it's that good. And I'm not a shampoo person, like I already mentioned. But that's it, y'all. If you got this far in the video, comment down below the cucumber symbol. Alright, y'all? And I think that's about it. As always, love, peace, hugs, and kisses.